CTE works for me.
In the Homeland Security program, we learn about the laws, Constitution, the government,
the different types of laws there is and what new laws are coming up.
You're learning about law, which is stuff that we need to learn as a community.
We have a lot of hands-on opportunities. I know we also have a mock trial team that is, a lot of the Homeland Security people are on it.
My name is Autumn and I represent the prosecution in this case.
It allows us to really gain knowledge about how the U.S. government works.
It just taught me a lot about my rights and myself.
We take a lot of field trips where we're able to experience different Senate houses and representatives.
This program can help me find a career because it gives you the tools you need to succeed.
I was expecting it to be more strict, I guess, or more serious, but I found that I was able to have a lot of fun.
We go on a lot of field trips. There's a lot of internship positions available to us.
Through this program, I earned an internship at the Prince George's County State Attorney's Office.
There's a lot of real-world opportunities that we get from this program that everybody might not have.
The Homeland Security gives me a sense of purpose now because of all the information that I've gained. I feel like I am a student and youth advocate for all the social and economic problems that we have in today's world.
A good candidate for this program is someone who is goal-oriented and driven.
Someone who genuinely wants to know about law, politics.
If you're someone considering the Homeland Security program, I really feel like you should take advantage of the opportunity, especially if you want your application to look nice for college and also if you want to learn about the different aspects of the law.
I know that I'll always have an opportunity waiting for me because of what I've learned through being in the program.
CTE works for me.